Punxsutawney Phil has had his day in the sun. No shadow had he on Groundhog's Day, which led the Groundhogs Club in Pennsylvania to conclude that we'll have an early spring this year. But really, how reliable is it to listen to this guy? Well, let's ask some atmospheric scientists at Pacific Northwest National Laboratory, including Jennifer Comstock, Ho-Lin Ma, and Larry Berg.
Well, I think he probably has about a 50% chance of being right.
Well, I've always wondered about the data that they take. First of all, he comes out, he doesn't see his shadow, and so that means spring's coming, and he sees his shadow, so we have more winter, the sun's out, it's pretty. I've always wondered a little bit about that data.
Well, I think it's Punxsutawney's claim to fame. I grew up not too far from there and did a meteorology degree at Penn State, and I can guarantee you that Phil's picture was not up on the map wall. I find that he often looks pretty grumpy when they pull him out of his den there. He's pretty clearly does not want to be out in that cold winter weather.
So it turns out this year our friend Phil may have been right. Tell us about it.
Yes, this year we all know we have a strong El Nino event going on. Therefore, the sea surface temperature over the Pacific Ocean is warmer than usual, and therefore we might have a shorter winter as Phil predicted. Maybe he checked into our global model results before he made the prediction.
So what other types of atmospheric research does PNNL do?
Yeah, we really have a multifaceted research program where we're looking at improving models that are used to predict both weather and climate, using state-of-the-art instrument platforms to investigate physical processes within the atmosphere, from this things related to the size of very tiny particles up to the large convective systems, large convective clouds with lots of rain and that kind of thing.
Well, thanks for telling us about your work, but if you don't mind, it's really cold, so I'm gonna go. Thanks.
Pretty cold out here, and you're actually shivering.
Right?
Do that.
Punxsutawney. Which one is it? Okay. Can I get some hot cocoa at least? No?